I thought the blizzard was the worst thing that could happen to me. I thought being trapped alone on the mountain meant isolation, silence, survival. But that storm didn't trap me with nothing. It brought something to my door. Something that wore a human face. Something that used my kindness to get inside. And when it finally left my cabin, it wasn't alone. The blizzard was supposed to last 2 days. Then 2 became 3. Then 3 became 4. By day 4, the world outside my cabin had disappeared. No mountains, no sky, no stars, just snow. A white shifting void that erased distance and direction. The tree line was no longer a line, just a smudge of moving darkness where trees should have been. The wind blurred everything until the world felt unfinished, like it was still loading. I was prepared. I always am. Before the storm hit, I drove down to town, stocked my truck with food, water, firewood. I chopped until my arms ached just to hear something other than silence. Because no one ever comes up here. The nearest neighbor is 40 minutes away, and that's without a blizzard. So when I heard the knock, 2 slow, deliberate raps, my heart damn near stopped. Because in a storm like that, no one should have been able to reach my door. I stood in the kitchen, mug shaking in my hand, listening. The wind screamed. Then silence settled back in, heavy, thick, unnatural. I told myself I imagined it. Then I opened the door.